kwamba uliweza kupoteza mtoto, na kwa sababu tueleze tu ni wakati gani ulijua kwamba mtoto wako alikuwa na saratani na ilikuwa mwaka gani, na je sababu zilikuwa zipi?
Asante sana Rashid. My name is Nancy. This was in 2018 that my son had at first he started limping, and he kept on complaining of pain, of like a piercing pain on the knee. So at first I took him to hospital. He was misdiagnosed. I was told maybe he might have hit himself somewhere, and we didn't know. So we went back home. Then the following day he went to school. He fell. He like missed a stair and fell. Then he was taken to hospital because I was at work. So that hospital, by the time I was reaching there, they already had a cast on his leg. So I told them, it's fine. We are waiting for the leg to heal, which it didn't heal. It took like 3 months. Taking him back, there was nothing. Then I remember I had a friend who was orthopedic surgeon whom I called and consulted. But then when I was telling her about the symptoms, he referred me. He told me to go to a doctor in Nairobi hospital, which by getting there, we were told that there's something eating up. That was first of all, that is what the doctor told me, that there's something eating up the bone. It's not broken. There's something in the bone that is eating up the bone, because there was a session that there was no bone. It was just flesh. So then we were told to do a biopsy. So from that biopsy, when they were admitting my son, that's when I heard the nurses saying that whatever is there, it's cancer. That is what they assumed. Until I got mad at the nurse, because I was like, why would you even say such a thing? How can my son get cancer? Because then I believed cancer was for the rich. And after the biopsy,